Frederick Kimemia keeps an old photo of his parents on his desk at work. It's a link to the past and a sign of how important family is to him. As a young couple, he and his wife discussed the family they wanted.
So we didn't get a child until 2006. That's 6 years in marriage. And that's when we decided to adopt first. And then we wait for our own to come.
They decided that they would name their adopted daughter after his mother.
Tukaenda kwa mama nikamuuliza, akaniambia kitu ambayo ilinifurahisha. Aliniambia unaweza zaa mtoto na akue vizuri ama akue mbaya. Unaweza adopt mtoto na akue mzuri ama akue mbaya. Haijalishi. Mtoto ni vile umemlea.
12 years after they brought their daughter home, he maintains that she is one of the best things that ever happened to him. But before he got here, he, like other Kenyans seeking to adopt, wondered where to start. It is a question adoption lawyers hear often, as members of the public who want to adopt for one reason or another take that first tentative step. To start with, in Kenya, people are only allowed to adopt once they attain the age of 25. Legally married couples are given priority over single people who can only adopt children of the same sex, except under exceptional circumstances. There are 6 adoption agencies in the country: Kenya Christian Homes, Little Angels Network, Bakna, Change Trust and KKPI, which are private entities, and the state-owned Child Welfare Society of Kenya. These agencies locate children who are abandoned or given up. A court then has to declare them free for adoption.
A baby will be abandoned and the first respondent will be a community member who calls the police. And the police will go and pick the baby and then drop the baby to a home. The children homes work with agencies. So that's how agencies will find babies. So the agencies now they have list of the parents who are looking for babies. So and then the parents would say, I want a boy this age.
If they place a child in a home and the child they don't see some security about whether the child will actually go to school, will attend a good enough school, will have enough for uniform, something to eat, then they will look at that.
The whole process could take anything from 9 months to years. Shanice, an adoption lawyer, estimates that in 2017 alone, over 300 children were adopted in Nairobi County. In the last decade, at least 2,000 adoptive Kenyan parents have come together to start the Association of Adoptive Parents of Kenya, sharing the day-to-day challenges.
She came home when she was 3 years from school, and she told me, why are you proud of me and you're not even my dad? At 3 years. Then I was shocked because I had not told her that she's adopted, and I was wondering where she got that information from. I tried to ask her, she cried. She was not able to answer me until I had to sit her down and ask. And then that's when later on she told me that she was told by the teachers.
Frederick and other proponents of adoption argue that when the right channels are followed, adoption can prove life-changing for thousands of children and the families that take them in.
Inapatia mtoto opportunity of love of a family. Yes, vitu hangepata sababu sasa wakikaa children's home, wakifikisha 18, sometimes wanaachiliwa.
But a shroud of secrecy still hangs over the adoption process in Kenya, meaning in many quarters, the process is still viewed with suspicion. Wilkister Nyabwa, Citizen TV.